Please delete that post of Alan Peter Cayetano. What is wrong with you, Mark Cruz? You're posting about political. Don't you even know Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz that Alan Peter Cayetano is a friend of attorney Raul Lambino? I met him in TikTok live last year. Why did you label him as a chicken? Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, with all due respect Alan Peter Cayetano was a lawyer. I am saying to you, when I was told by Jerick Silva and Christian Mengito, you don't know who is Alan Peter Cayetano. Abogado pala to si Alan Peter Cayetano. Abogado yan. Why did you edit such this picture and repost it? That Alan Peter Cayetano as a chicken, the little chicken. Mark Cruz, with all due respect, after you posted the Rene Bartebonia and Divine Adili, and then you post about political Alan Peter Cayetano. You know what? Alan Peter Cayetano is a lawyer, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. If the DDS someone read this, even Rowena Guanzon or Attorney Rowena Guanzon will read this. Oh, she's an advocate of the P3PWD party list, and she knows Roydan Marlang, and she knows Angelo Luna. Oh, even Kuya Dan Mardayaw. Oh, he knows Rowena Guanzon. And he knows other DDS supporters and bloggers. So, you know, Mark Cruz, please kindly delete that post of Alan Peter Cayetano that label him as a chicken, the little chicken. You don't really have how to ashamed of yourself that Alan Peter Cayetano was a lawyer. What I remember, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, I always say to you, for example, who among a lawyer, who were politicians and senator, do you remember Raul Lambino? Attorney Raul Lambino was a lawyer. He's my good friend. I met him in TikTok live. Number 2, Jimmy Bondoc, lawyer. Rowena Guanzon, Attorney Rowena Guanzon, lawyer. Israelito Tarion, lawyer. They're all lawyers. Even Pia Cayetano is a lawyer too. This Zionist Marcos loyalist named Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, that imbecile, he never learned how to stop posting about, in threads about you label Alan Peter Cayetano as chicken or little chicken. Mark Cruz, delete that post. Me, in threads, I post about cars. I have nothing to post about it. Mark Cruz, I say to you, please delete that post of Alan Peter Cayetano. He's a lawyer, Mark Cruz. If I say again, if Alan Peter Cayetano want to tell Mark Domingo Cruz parents, is this your son who posted me I'm a chicken? Ganyan ba ang anak ko? Anak mo ay manok? Nilagay mo ang manok, like I said. And Alan Peter Cayetano is going to sue against you, Mark Cruz. Kakasuhan ka pala ni Alan Peter Cayetano. If the parents of Mark Domingo Cruz says, special child po si Mark Cruz, hindi po nagagawang kung ano-ano, just like he said before, yung anak ko po lagi gumagawa ng kalokohan. That's what I am saying. This Mark Domingo Cruz, you need to stop creating nonsense. Stop making nonsense about Alan Peter Cayetano. Even Rene Bartebonia. You know, I was told by Jerick Silva, babatuin ka ng 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 fans ni Rene Bartebonia. Oh, hey, can you please, Mark Domingo Cruz, delete all the posts of nonsense, even Rodante Marcoleta, even Alan Peter Cayetano. Delete that post. Because, you know, Alan Peter Cayetano is a lawyer. Rodante Marcoleta is also a lawyer. Both of them are lawyers. If Rowena Guanzon seen this, if she read that post, even my good friend, Attorney Raul Lambino, have seen this, both. Oh, pag nabasa na yan, nako, lagot talaga si Mark Cruz. You know that. Because, you know, Mark Cruz, I say to you, do not post and comment about Alan Peter Cayetano and Rodante Marcoleta. Because this guy, he has no respect. Because I know they are lawyers. Like me, I never criticize Rowena Guanzon. Oh, I do realize that Rowena Guanzon is a lawyer. Oh, that's why I should vote for her for a senator. She's an advocate of P3 PWD party list. Have you ever known, Mark Cruz, that Rowena Guanzon had no Roylan Marlang and also Brainerd Tabiji and even Angelo Luna? That was a time that the new student of the class of Teacher May to Tiburcio. I know Angelo Luna. Oh, because Rowena Guanzon is a lawyer. Oh, she's a lawyer. She learns about law. Eh, what about you, Mark Cruz? Eh, you're not a lawyer too. You're just a video gamer and you're talking about nonsense. If I were to tell to you, Mark Domingo Cruz, I say to you, delete that post of Alan Peter Cayetano.